everyone. So I am back with another topic which is not considered to be important for you guys, but trust me, it actually is. We all have expectations in our lives, what we want out of life and who we want to become. I believe one of the keys to happiness lies within the management of your expectations, and you can never be disappointed. I believe that when you expect anything from anyone now, you always get hurts. When you stop expecting, you don't get hurt. Often we tend to believe that the way we treat others will be the way we are treated in return. But unfortunately, this does not happen always. There are always two ways to be happy. First, improve your reality, and secondly, lower your expectations. Having realistic expectations will allow you to accept the flaws each person has. We need to learn how to take responsibility for our own lives and our own decisions before we can expect others to do the same. One of the biggest challenges we face in life is learning to accept people who they truly are. And once you realize that your expectations cannot change people, the better off you will be. The problem will arise when the expectations do not materialize. If you find that you are going out of your way much more than the people you surround yourself with, it may be the time to find a new group of friends. Unrealistic expectations will, can, and most often do lead to disappointment and disappointment. Too many people are obsessed with finding the perfect career or the perfect spouse, and as a result become increasingly frustrated when this does not pan out. An unfortunate pitfall of having high expectations in certain circumstances is that we prevent ourselves from enjoying the experience altogether. If you feel this way in your life, you need to readjust your expectations. Do not expect things out of situations. Just go into them with an open mind. This will allow to fully immerse yourself without the pressure of living up to preconceived notions. When you have unrealistic notions for people, you place yourself at a high risk of getting disappointment and hurt. Maybe someone did let you down in certain aspects, but isn't it inherently to have those people on such a pedestal? By maintaining an accurate awareness of your own realities, you became able to determine what is truly expected from others. Such disappointments can lead to several outcomes, including trying to get this person to change and an increased anger towards that person who is causing disappointment and only disappointment. This became problematic since the fault lies with your putting such pressure on this person. There is paradoxical when it comes to these. If you have high expectations, you can often end up with disappointed, but if you don't have these expectations, you may not try it as hard as you could in order to accomplish a goal. These tendencies can turn people into perfectionists, which is far from a healthy lifestyle. Expect that you can reach and be aware of that fact that sometimes life throws you a curveball. Try to remain confident while making an aspiration. Just remember not to make this aspiration so high that they are impractical and unreachable. Acceptance is an amazing trait that need to be actively worked toward when things do not work out the way we had planned. It is the person who is causing disappointment. So just stop expecting. That's it. Thank you.